Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting tab delimited files to semicolon delimited files. You can see I have on my computer, I have a states tab file, and I have a tab viewer application. It's free app, it's showing what is inside of tab file. And you can see I have a data set with states, state name, state code, region, subregion, and all information for every state starting from Alabama to Wyoming. And however, I can open this tab file into Notepad just to show you what is inside this file, and it's a text file. Let's scroll down to Notepad and find it's text file, and you can see first line is column names, and our other lines are data. And it's separated with the tab delimited, and I will be converting this file to Semicolon delimited CSV. With the application I will download and install on this computer from this website. I will leave link on site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type tab to semicolon and click on page to open it, click on download to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded to my computer. I will be recording more videos on converting to semicolon formats, and so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel, and please like this video. We are waiting for archive to be downloaded from Google Cloud in a second. And now I can open downloaded archive. Double click on MSI inside archive, I'll click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. It's from Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next, next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and this, and this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, before conversion started, it's important to close file I want to convert from the closed tab file. If it's open in any application like Excel or editors, it's important to close it because some application they're exclusively lock file and prevent it from other application to access it. So in this case, you will get like error showing you that file cannot be accessed because it's open into another application. So it's important to close it. And overall conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we will have to select file we would like to convert. I click to select on this button, navigate to my file, and I need this file. Click on open. And after a file open, I click on next step. In this step, if first row of the file contains column name, which in my case it is contain column names, I will keep it checked. And most usually this type of files they have with first row explaining what kind of data is inside. So first row usually contains column names. I'll click on next step. And final step, I'll click run to start conversion. It's asking me for name and location of result CSV file. This name location is okay, just click save. And you can see file has been saved into my documents. Let's go and see file. So I'll double click on it to open it. It's a CSV viewer, free app. It's showing what is inside of CSV data file, and I can filter, I can sort data if I need to. Also, I can export into different format if I want. And yeah, basically that's it. We converted all data. We have all files or all records from Alabama to Wyoming in here, and everything is good. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.